Good evening everyone, it is currently 10 to 10 in the evening and you might be wondering why we're out so late. We are not Uber drivers, but we are in fact swimming with manta rays.
Well, he does kind of look like a
Well yeah, actually I've got my little phone set up there. But yeah, we're swimming with manta rays. We are on the big island of Hawaii. I'll let Georgie tell you some more information.
Yeah, so we are in the water for about half an hour I believe. We're on our way to the boat now. And they have a little light which attracts plankton, and then the manta rays come and eat the plankton, so then you see the manta rays. We had a failed manta ray in Fiji, so fingers crossed we will see some today. If not, it's a guarantee, so if you don't see any you get to come back for free and see them again.
So you guys will definitely be seeing manta rays as well as me and Georgie.
Okay, so the booking company that we went with is called My Kona Adventures. We paid £129.94 for both of us. This was, I think, was the cheapest one. You can
cheapest.
Yeah, you can do it for cheaper if you like just don't go in the water. You just sit on the boat and see them. But obviously, we wanted to get in the water, and there is an option to rent a wetsuit for $15 extra, but we didn't do that because
we're hard.
Yeah. Pretty much just what you said.
And it's piping hot. I'm already sweating.
Yeah, I'm literally sweating right now. Yeah. And yeah, we're doing it at 20 past 10 at night.
The tours with this company then start at 6:30 p.m. as the sun's setting. So if you want like kind of like a boat or sunset experience, then you can do that. But I have read online that the mantas are more active at like the later in the evening it gets. So we just went for the latest one as possible. It definitely wasn't because that was the only one available. But
eyes on the road, please.
Sorry. Sorry.
Yeah, we actually only booked it like not last night but the night before, and 10:30 was the only slot. 10:20, sorry. So, but we probably would have done it earlier. But hey ho. Yeah. I'm not sure we are going to make it to the manta rays because Max seems to think just because the roads are dead he can drive like an absolute idiot.
If that means driving at the speed limit, then that's
No,
fine.
it's not the speed limit.
One below the speed limit, in fact.
There's been a couple of times on this trip where Max has forgotten that we're driving on the right side of the road.
Yeah,
and he's been driving.
that is actually a bit true.
Yeah, just a little bit true, not fully.
And just like that, the Dodge Dart has brought us to here successfully. And we're gonna get suited and booted, if that means getting half naked and standing there barefoot on the concrete out there somewhere. Yeah. We are walking to, I don't know how much you can see, the pickup point, near them cool boats with red lights on. So we've just had the, got to follow this guy. We've just had the Manta talk. That's our boat there, jumping on it now. Georgie, how are you feeling for the manta rays?
I don't know why I'm a bit nervous, I don't know why.
Probably because it's pitch black out there.
Yeah, it's probably what it is.
Yeah.
It is slippery and wobbly, so be careful. Step down. If you want to sit your butt down there and scoot in, you're fine. Also, you can grab onto one of these. We've got hands for you as well. First people board and go ahead and step over to the starboard side here. Fine. There you go. Perfect. Either way.
On the boat. Don't know how long it'll take.
Let's do that. Does everybody speak and understand English? Perfect. Good news. So safety-wise, I've got life jackets up there, front butt cap. There's also a fire extinguisher, first aid kit, as well as the marine radio is set to the Coast Guard station. We're not going to need any other stuff that's not it's required to tell you about. We're 100 yards off the coast here. So we'll be there in just a moment. Now, who knows the first rule of manta ray engagement? Don't touch. Do not touch the manta rays, correct. Do not go behind the boat. Our propulsive system is not good for your skin.
George, don't go behind the boat.
Propellers.
Don't go behind the boat.
Propellers
Get
get
chopped up.
Oh.
About to hop in soon.
Wasn't planning.
Been given a pool noodle.
Poop.
Noodle. Pool noodle. Mantas are over there. Mascot. Jump in there. Might be able to see a manta already. Is it on, George? Okay, I'll turn it now. It's not that deep. So we're just off the coast of some hotels there, it seems. Getting on now. How are you feeling, George?
Not ready.
With your little pool noodle. I don't know. Got to jump in the water now. How are you feeling, George?
Cold.
George.
Back into the boat. We've been warned to not go behind the boat, otherwise our face will be cut up by the
We'll get chopped off. We are in the absolute stick in the middle of the ocean. Oh, back on the boat now. Vinegar, that is, for little worms that sting you. Well, I did get stung on the lip, but yeah, headed in now. Somewhere over there.
Too much hustle and bustle.
Right, so that was the mantas. We'll give you the full rundown of the car, but we're just leaving the little harbour now, going around the corner, getting in the whip. Right, so that was the manta ray experience all done. I'd rate that 10 out of 10.
Yeah, 10. That was actually one of the best things I've ever seen.
Yeah, best things I've ever done in my life. They literally got like, well, they touched us both actually.
Yeah,
didn't
they brushed both of us like multiple times.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
what do you think it felt like, George? Like, I don't know where it touched you, but like, I had my hand and it touched the back of my hand. It was weird. It was like grit or something.
Yeah,
It was like-
I was expecting it to be kind of slimy. And
Yeah.
it wasn't.
I was like really scared trying to move away, and then it just kept on going closer because of the slime. But yeah.
Yeah, and they literally were just literally in your face, and you can't move, like you can't swim.
Yeah,
away
because you're restricted. Yeah,
You've got like a pool noodle by your
because of the poo
ankles.
noodle.
Yeah, but like it's actually crazy. You
yeah.
literally see into their mouths, and it's just
Yeah,
there's nothing in there.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
just like hollow. Like it's
Yeah.
just weird.
And then like do you see the blood on the mantas as well?
No.
Well, there's like, you'll be able to see it in the videos, but some blood, and not blood, but like red flesh, and it was really weird. But yeah, that's the manta ray experience, and we'll put all of the company that we went with in the description. So if you come into this place, the guy did say that it's the only place in the world that the mantas exhibit that type of behaviour at night, where they know that they come for feeding, because as Georgie explained, the lights attract the plankton and the plankton attracts the mantas. No, the mantas go for the plankton. the plankton. Oh,
The plankton says, "Come
forget
with
it."
me."
What else is there to say, George?
Yeah, that like when we were trying to find them in Fiji, like they said that like they've seen 9 at once, like once before.
In Fiji,
ever.
yeah.
And like we just saw 9 then at
Just
once,
chilling.
Just, like they said it was rare to see the amount that we saw. And
Yeah, usually
active
they
they
say
were.
it's like 3 maybe on average, did you say?
I don't know, but like
But we got lucky.
it's just crazy how
Yeah, how many there were
here versus in
Fiji.
and wherever else they are in the world.
Yeah. So that's why he was saying it's like one of a kind, and like the only place in the world, because you can see so many, and they get right up in your face. They're incredible. They've got the largest brain to body weight ratio for sea marine life. I'm not sure if that's true. Someone might have to drop that down in the comments.
That they were the most intelligent or something.
Most intelligent.
No,
yeah,
that
probably they coincide, don't they?
Yeah, but I thought dolphins were the most intelligent sea animals.
True. Oh, actually, apparently you can see dolphins. If you do want to see dolphins on this tour, do it as late as possible. So the time that we did, we didn't see them obviously today, but hopefully we do see that. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Watch tomorrow's vlog. We're exploring a bit of the Big Island, and at some point we're going to be going to the world's most active volcano, Mauna Kea. I might have said that wrong, but yeah.
Bye.
Bye.